Iran is threatening to completely shut the Strait of Hormuz if the US proceeds with plans to target Iranian energy facilities. It follows an ultimatum issued by President Trump to Tehran to fully open the shipping channel within 48 hours. Meanwhile, barrages of Iranian and Israeli missiles descended across the region, killing at least 3 people and injuring hundreds more.
A day after Donald Trump spoke of winding down the war, the US president threatened a new step up the escalation ladder. Posting on Truth Social, he gave Tehran a 48-hour ultimatum: open the Strait of Hormuz or the US will obliterate Iranian power plants. There have been various reactions from Iran's political factions. The parliament speaker said Iran will irreversibly destroy US-linked energy sites across the Middle East. The Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, also known as the IRGC, added that they would also target desalination plants in the Gulf and would completely close the strait, which Tehran says is open to all except the US and its allies. On land, the missiles keep coming. In the northwestern Iranian city of Tabriz, 2 children and their father were killed in an attack on their home. The Iranian death toll in the conflict is now over 1,500, according to local media. Across the Gulf, there are reports of Iranian missiles hitting Saudi Arabia, Iraq, including Baghdad Airport, and the UAE. In Israel, hundreds of people have been injured in Iranian strikes. The densely populated central belt has borne the brunt, including 2 cities close to a nuclear facility. The WHO is warning of growing health risks following reported strikes near key nuclear facilities in both Iran and Israel. To the north, the battle between Hezbollah and Israel continues. The Israeli military has blown up key crossing points of Lebanon's Litani River. It says to prevent the passage of Hezbollah fighters and weapons southward, but there's no sign of any let-up on the armed group's missile barrages. A procession of senior Israeli politicians have been surveying the damage, all of them with a similar message that the war is going according to plan, Iran threatens the world, not just Israel, and that regime change in Tehran is still possible. But as the human costs mount and missiles increasingly dodge defence systems, questions are growing for those who advocated for this conflict, whether their strategic objectives were ever obtainable and why the war is widening at such a rapid pace. David Landy, RT News.